Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a long-term investment portfolio for wealth building, follow these step-by-step instructions to construct a diversified portfolio aligned with your goals. Step 1. Determine your investment time horizon and risk tolerance. Consider factors like your age, income stability, financial goals, and comfort with market volatility. Step 2. Decide on your asset allocation strategy by dividing your investments between stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash based on your risk profile. Step 3. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs as the foundation of your portfolio. These provide broad market exposure with minimal fees and management costs. Step 4. Diversify across different sectors, geographic regions, and market capitalizations to reduce risk and capture growth opportunities worldwide. Step 5. Include some individual stocks of quality companies if desired, but limit them to no more than 10 to 15% of your total portfolio value. Step 6. Set up automatic monthly contributions to your investment accounts to benefit from dollar-cost averaging and build wealth consistently over time. Step 7. Rebalance your portfolio annually or when allocations drift more than 5% from your targets to maintain your desired risk level. Step 8. Review your portfolio performance quarterly, but avoid making emotional decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or news headlines. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.